All right, so we're starting off with a couple of our pork chops right inside our crock pot for this super easy and delicious dinner. Now I'm coming in with 1.5 pounds of sliced mushrooms that we're gonna put right on top of our pork chops. Oh, make sure you get all of those out. Yummy, this is gonna be so good, you guys. Now I'm coming in with some sliced onion. This was 1.5 white onion that I sliced up. Oh, those onions are so potent and so delicious. Go ahead and get that spread out just as well. Yummy. Now I'm coming in with the cream of mushroom with roasted garlic. This is my favorite cream of mushroom. And we are just gonna get that whole thing right in there. We'll grab our spatula to make sure we get all of that out. Don't want any of it to go to waste. I always clean out my cans. If I don't show you on camera, I do it off camera. Perfect. Now we're adding a can of cream of chicken, and this is the unsalted because sometimes I feel like these have way too much sodium in them. Oh, this one's gonna need some help. Okay, right in there. Get all of it out. Okay, this is coming together beautifully. All my favorite things in one little crock pot. Now, if you don't like pork, you could also do chicken with this, but I think pork chops are just gonna be so good for this recipe. All right, now I'm coming in with some minced garlic, and I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of minced garlic right in there. That's a lot of pork chops, so we need a lot of flavor. Now I'm not gonna add any additional salt, but I am gonna add some pepper to this. And it might seem like I'm adding a lot, but I want a lot of flavor, okay? This is a big crock pot, so it needs a lot of seasoning. It might look like I'm over seasoning, but I'm not, I promise you.
This looks great.
Okay, last seasoning we're gonna do is some paprika. And you can season this however you like. I just think that all these flavors go together so beautifully, so that's why I'm choosing them. All right, delicious. Now, the last thing we're gonna add to this is 1 can of beef broth. And I also did the lower sodium for the beef broth. Just, you know, make healthier choices. Perfect. Okay, we're gonna just give this a nice little toss, not touching those pork chops, just touching the onions, the mushrooms, and those cream of soups. Those condensed soups that we have in there, and we're just gonna make sure everything gets well combined because these are gonna be the most delicious, the most flavorful smothered pork chops. Oh my goodness. I don't know about you guys, but I love a good smothered pork chop.
It smells delicious.
Oh yeah, okay. That is mixed well enough. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my crock pot lid, and then we are gonna pop this on high to let it cook. All right, you guys, it has been 3 hours on high. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off and let's check it out.
Whoa.
Oh my, it smells incredible, you guys. Okay, let's go ahead and get some of those pork chops out. Give this like a quick little mix. Oh my.
It's so creamy and delicious.
Smothered pork chops, you guys. Oh. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Okay, and of course we have to get a spoon that we can get more of that gravy on top, more of the onions, the mushroom, because it wouldn't be smothered unless it was smothered, right?
Yeah, that's for sure.
All right, it's time to give this a try. Oh, it's cooked so perfectly.
Is it falling apart?
Yeah.
It's the best.
Okay. Just get a nice small piece for now. Because it's super hot. Don't want to eat too much and burn my mouth. That is really good. I might have put a little too much pepper, but it's still delicious.